Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Let's begin. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit. In a bowl, cream softened butter with icing sugar until it is pale and smooth. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients and measurements. You may use a wooden spoon or an electric mixer as you cream the butter and sugar. The sides of the bowl to collect and then mix together. Gradually sift in flour and mix in between. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. I would appreciate as well if you would press the like button below. Once the dough comes together, place it on a flat tabletop and sprinkle a little bit of flour on the dough. Mold the dough, roll it flat but thick. If it is sticky, sprinkle flour and continue rolling. Cut the shapes you like. Place the cut dough on a lined baking sheet. Continue shaping and rolling and cutting the dough that's remaining until it is finished. Bake for 12 minutes or until the edges start to be golden. Cool the cookies and store them in an airtight container. I would like to ask you to please press the like button and leave a comment below and add more value on this video. I hope you loved this video. Thank you so much for your time. See you soon. Bye bye.